Want to get Claude AI on your Android phone but not sure where to start? It's super easy to download and set up. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Claude AI on your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your Play Store. Tap on the search icon on the bottom menu. Search for Claude. Tap on the install button and wait for the download and installation. Tap on open. Once you enter the app, tap on continue with Google, or you can enter your email here. Sign in with your Google account. Tap on use memory to allow Claude to remember your past conversations from the past to give you a more comprehensive and holistic experience. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.